Okay, let's see what came in the box. First step will be to mount the swivel arm to the base plate using the Allen screws and the washers. Here we have the Allen screws. The key doesn't come in the kit. In this case, we need Allen key number 5. Okay, now we have to mount the handle onto the swivel arm with the matching counter nut. Okay, this goes here. Now we have to mount both retainers onto the swivel arm with the spacer and the Allen screws. These two connections are only loosely mounted. Okay, we don't have to put too much effort. And we put this part to the exterior. Okay, to the exterior, like this. And we put the Allen screw on the other side. One goes like this, and we leave it quite loose. And the second one is as well installed with the screw here. Insert the two adjustment screws in the swivel arm recess together with the adjustment nuts. So we remove this part here from the long one. Okay, the long one goes down. We insert the long one here. We did the same with the short one. The short one goes here. Okay, let's install the protective cover. We remove this nut here, insert the protective cover, adjust this, and now a little bit more like this. Like this is fine. Now we need a key number 8. We are going to move this nut here. Time to install the machine. Number 5 to do all the adjustments. 5 centimeters. I'm using a 115 cut. You can see we didn't get a perfect cut. This piece is 9 centimeters more or less, but there are bigger discs, 125 discs. Maybe with 125 is enough to do this cut. So now what I'm going to do is to finish the cut from here. There's the piece there, and let's see if we can do this cut. Almost have this piece here. This time we are going to try 25 degrees angle cut. Okay, now I have only one screw. Okay, let's see if this way I can cut what I need to do. Okay, now, yes, I got a good cut. Okay, conclusion. What I have found is that these work for very small pieces, not big things like if you want to dismantle a pallet and do things, cuts. It doesn't work very well, only does small cuts. I don't like it too much, it's very complicated. It's very time consuming to adjust everything. You need Allen screws all the time to be working with this machine. Yes, it's very cheap, but take in consideration 30 or 25 euros this plus the saw, so maybe you can get something else that is fixed for a better price. So I'm not very happy with this product. It's very limited the angles you can do. You try to do a hard angle, then you are very limited on the pieces that you can work with. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.